Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Antec's Constellation C5 ARGB middle tower case. So friend, Antec's new Constellation C5 ARGB middle tower PC case seems nice. This case designed without a central pillar to enhance accessibility and display aesthetic, support a variety of motherboards with rear connectors including ATX, MicroATX and Mini-ITX. The case is available in two colors, black and white, and friend release date of it is 20th April, and the estimated retail price is approximately 121 USD dollar, and it features a tempered glass panel on the front and left side, creating a visually appealing showcase for internal components, and it accommodates extended cooling option including space for up to 10 120 mm fans. Specific cooling capabilities include 3 120 mm or 2 140 mm fans on the top, side, and bottom, with additional single 120 mm fan support at the rear. All provided fans are ARGB, enhancing aesthetic with customizable lighting and front for storage. The case includes one 3.5-inch drive bay and two 2.5-inch drive bays. It offers 7 expansion slots and external ports that include two USB 3.0 port, one USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C port, audio input/output, and LED controller button. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.